Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, let's find the Play Store and let's tap on it. Now let's choose this three bars icon and click on My Apps and Games. Okay, and as you can see here, we've got all updates pending, so we can update all of those apps. If you want to update all of them at once, then simply click on Update All, but if you want to update only one of it, then click on Update right next to the app you want to update. So for example, let me update Google Photos. Let's click on Update, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the very top of the list. And now the update is downloading, and after that it will be successfully applied. So that's all. This is how to update apps in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.